If you are wondering if we have IR Blaster on OnePlus 15R, then the answer is yes. If you go to the app drawer, then you should be able to find the IR Remote app, which is of course used in order to set up a remote on your phone. So you can choose whatever you want to try to add to your phone, and then you should be able to simply try to set up the remote. Of course, you will have to go through a couple of steps, as it is visible right now on the screen. So you should be able to place the back of the phone, aim it at the device, because we have the IR Blaster at the back. And I will try to show you where it is exactly. You can perhaps see that between these both camera lenses, there is like a little dot. And it looks like this is the sensor, the infrared sensor. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.